Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most beneficent, most merciful, most gracious, and the source of all knowledge, I would like to warm welcome to all of you by saying the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In our today's lecture, we will learn something about the work. What is work? The meaning of word work is काम. Okay, to do work. टू डू वर्क मीन्स आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं. ओके इसके मानों के अंदर आता है. लेट्स डिस्कस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द वर्क. एज यू कैन सी दिस आंटी इज़ गोइंग इन द राइटवर्ड डायरेक्शन एंड this trolley is covering some distance when the force is applied by this woman or by this lady. Okay, as you can see, this trolley is moving in this direction and covering a distance in this direction. Both are in the same direction. That means when there is the application of force and some distance is traveled, then you can say the work is done. Okay, there are two necessary conditions. First one is W is equal to Fs. That means we are being multiplied. There are two necessary things, force, and the second thing is distance. As you can see, this trolley, the force is being applied on this trolley by this lady, and due to the application of this force, some distance has been traveled in the forward direction. Therefore, overall you can say the work is done by this lady on this trolley. Let's move towards the definition. Work done by a constant force is given by the product of force and the distance moved in the direction of force. As you can see, the distance was in the direction of this force. Okay, the formula for force is W is equal to Fs, where W is the work done by a constant force, F is a constant force, and S is the distance moved in the direction of force. Okay, as you can see, the unit of force W is equal to Fs. Unit of force is Newton and unit of distance is meter. Okay, so Newton meter is the actual unit for the work done. It is also known as joule. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton multiplied by meter, or you can say 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. If you divine 1 joule, so the definition of 1 joule is actually 1 joule is defined as the work done by a force of 1 Newton which moves an object through a distance of 1 meter in the direction of force. Okay, here is the definition. You can also define it from these units as well. If the work is done by a force of 1 Newton in traveling a distance of 1 meter, then your work will be about 1 joule. Okay, one more thing, based upon the concept of the work, the man is figure. As you can see, the man is applying force in lifting this brick or lifting this box. Okay, force is in the upward direction while he is moving in the rightward direction. As you can see, here is the angle of 90 degree. So it is necessary for the work done that the force and the distance moved both are in the same direction. If the direction is different, as you can see, there is a difference of 90 degree in the directions, so our work done will be considered as 0. Okay, and if the direction there is opposite direction, that means force is going to be applied in this direction and distance is being traveled in this direction, there is a difference of 180 degree, then there our answer will be the negative. Okay, minus W. Clear to you? If you have any kind of problem related to the work done, you can ask me. I am there for you. Thank you very much.